How to confirm orders on ACbuy. Hey guys, today I show you how you can confirm orders on ACbuy. So let's jump straight into it. First, log into your ACbuy account and click on your shopping cart. Here you'll see all the items you've added. Click on View Cart to review your products and select the one you're ready to ship. After that, hit the Checkout button to move forward. Now, this part is important. Make sure the shipping country and delivery information you select is completely correct. Double check this carefully so your package doesn't face delays. Once that's set, you'll see several sections including prohibited items, product description, terms of service, return policy, and disclaimer. It's a good idea to read through these details so you're aware of the rules and conditions before placing the order. After reviewing everything, you'll need to tick the checkbox that says, I have read and agreed. This confirms that you understand ACbuy's policies. Once that's done, all you have to do is click the Submit button. Your order will then be confirmed, and you should receive a confirmation message or email shortly after. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.